Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. No.
Good work, Sergeant. Go easy with him.
Kayak anjing.
Guys, you all right?
Never better, boss. I'm topside.
Don't stay up there for long.
Got one on the dock.
Handle it and get back under.
One down.
Keep it up.
Ayoko nang balitik na.
They spotted you.
Contact on the pier.
Swim under and they'll lose you.
Watcher 1 to Bravo. Give me a sit rep.
Working our way to the barge. Burying Alcatala at sea.
Get in there as soon as you can. We may not have much time, John.
Go.
Nilagay sa kanya. Ay, nggak tapos na ako rin.
That saboteur boat needs attention. Take it if you can.
Roger that. God damn it. Enemy down.
Good work, Sergeant. Guys, I'm near the barge. Get here when you can, but don't get careless.
Check. One step, for fuck's sake.
Stop.
Guys, I'm near the barge. Get here when you can, but don't get careless.
Check. Almost there. One down.
Stay on it.
Got another.
Well, where they came from? Right with you, Sergeant.
Bloody.
Gitu.
Clear.
All clear. Appreciate the help, sir.
Let's get onto that barge. Gates locked. On me. Laswell, we're about to board.
Copy. Tell me what you find.
Roach, out. Listen. Spanish.
Sounds like it.
You said?
Good to go.
Look at this. That's Almas. Mexican cartel.
What the hell are they doing here?
Laswell, around using the cartel for transport.
Give me a name, John.
Las Almas.
Hassan's working with narcos.
Stand by. Barge is all narcos.
Cartel. All clear. It's his phone.
Get it.
Cartel's meeting with AQ.
Laswell, find Cafe Gracht. Something's about to go down.
When?
1 hour.
Alright. Reitan ada tuan benar.
Bravo 6-2, what you want? Position at the cafe. 2 to table to my 3 o'clock. 1 cartel, 1 Iranian.
How cozy. What are they up to?
Conducting a transaction.
Electronically.
Affirm.
They're paying the cartel for something.
Let's figure out what.
Security?
Several.
I'll deal with them.
Well, don't take all the fun, eh?
Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Welcome to my world. Use the needle on the guards and we roll up our cartel friend.
And you?
Exfil. Say when.
Roger that.
06, sit rep.
Talking timeline.
When are they moving?
Tonight.
Stay on them. We need to know what it is and where it's going.
Copy.
Hold up. 2 cartel guards under the bridge.
Got a visual.
Keep your weapons concealed. Let's see if they split up.
Good call. One's leaving.
Heading my way.
I'll tail him.
I'll take the one at the bridge.
Moving.
Get the fuck... Oh, easy, mate. One too many, huh? Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Good work. Regroup on me.
What you want? The cargo is human. 1 VIP bound for the US.
Who, John?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Christ. That means he's in Mexico.
Means it's time to stop him.
We need to roll up our cartel friend for a talk. Now.
If Hassan gets a missile anywhere near the US, there'll be a death toll.
What's the call? There's guards all over him.
We haven't scouted the area. There could be more guards.
There's no time to case the area, John. We need a distraction.
I've got something. Meet at the cafe, guys. Close to the HVI. Get some distance. Take it.
The bloody hell is this?
Decoy grenade. It'll work. Get back to Laswell. Let's kick this off.
Down the alley. When panic starts to spread, that's when the cartel moves him.
That's where I come in.
On you, guys.
Going loud and clear.
Guys, the guards are incoming. Take one, I'll get the other.
Hey! Rog. Don't fuck! Guards are down. Heading your way, Cap.
Make it fast.
I'll secure Exfil.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in. Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Package secure. Heading your way.
Copy.
Fuck no, behind us! Cover, soldier!
Rồi.
Meet you at the bridge.
I'm moving in. Shut your mouth. Follow me. What you want? Drop them fast. We have to move.
Clear.
Guys, bring the syringe. Jabbing. Let's get him up. Watch out. Time to move.
Copy. On my way.
Get him in.
Nice work.
You too.
We need to find where they're moving Hassan and intercept him.
Yeah, we'll wake him up. Have a little chat.
Why do we know we'll talk?
I can be very persuasive. Colonel Vargas.
Station Chief Laswell. I thought we were on a first-name basis. This must be serious.
It is. I need your help, Alejandro.
Dime.
The Los Alamos cartel is smuggling an Iranian terrorist over the border.
Laswell. Terrorists don't cross the southern border.
We know that, and they know that, and that is exactly why they're gonna do it. I need you to stop it.
Who's my target?
Major Hassan Zayani.
Copy. When?
Tonight.
Tapped into a surveillance drone. Eyes on. Got movement down there, Alejandro.
Migrants are in the water. Border patrol's responding.
Narcos use the migrants as a distraction. They could be moving Hassan as we speak.
Copy. Where's FBI on this?
FBI's an hour out. Right now, you're all we got.
Stand by. Rodolfo, los migrantes son una distracción. El sujeto está en movimiento.
Parece que cruzaron el río en una lancha. Vamos a buscarlos.
Órale. Alright, Watcher.
Alejandro, do not let Hassan cross the border.
Solid copy. Out.
Si cruzan la frontera, güey, no tenemos jurisdicción.
Pues encargaremos de que no pase.
Mira, coronel. Ahí, hacia el norte.
Esa es su lancha. Párate aquí. Escucha. El cartel está moviendo rápido a Hassan.
Todavía lo podemos agarrar antes de que crucen.
Entendido. El muro está adelante. Prepárate.
El cartel de las almas está trabajando con Irán. Esto es nuevo. ¿Y si Hassan cruza?
Cambiamos la estrategia. Escucha. Yo veo a 4 vándalos. Apague la luz. Veo a Hassan arriba del muro.
Mierda, acaba de cruzar.
No lo podemos perder. Tenemos que interceptarlo.
Toma la escalera. ¡Mierda!
¡Despejado!
Despejado.
Watcher, the target crossed. He's on the move. We're pursuing.
Colonel, that's not advisable. You have no authority or assets in the area.
I know. Just keep pushing FBI and contact local PD. Out. Rodolfo, usa las escaleras. Ándale. ¡Que subas! Necesitamos la identificación correcta de Hassan.
Ah, que cojas puedo ahí.
¿Le echaste un ojo?
Negativo. Se fue corriendo.
Vamos a perseguirlo. Órale. El cartel lo va a llevar a una casa de seguridad en el pueblo. Tenemos que encontrarlo.
Entendido.
Hassan tiene más amigos aquí que nosotros. Esté atento. Estamos por aquí. Vamos.
Someone's out there.
¡Por acá!
Hey! What the hell
Special
are you
forces to
doing?
stay inside.
You're in my yard, asshole!
El campo está libre. Muévete.
What's going on?
La casa de la esquina.
Entendido. Lo veo.
Ábrela. Yo lo cubro. Cuidado, sargento. Párate en la puerta. Hay gente que vive en estas casas y nosotros no somos de aquí, güey. ¡Special Forces!
Special Forces!
You want some too?
Drop your weapon.
Fuck you! Get out of my house!
Get the fuck back.
Okay.
Now!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
The men who came through here, where did they go? Rodolfo, vamos. Hassan se escapó. Hay que moverse. Watcher, at the corner of Flores and Barajas. Target is moving west to a stash house.
Copy. I've got local PD coming your way.
Roger, out.
Oigan! ¡Está por allá! Oigan! ¡Los veo!
Despejado.
Despejado.
Mira, se fueron por ahí. ¿Estás bien?
No es nada. ¿Tú?
Estoy listo, güey. Por aquí.
Puede que Hassan esté solo.
pero no por mucho tiempo.
Special Forces, get down!
Especiales.
What the fuck? Get the fuck out of my house!
I'm not here to hurt you. I'm looking for someone. Verga, no los pierdas de vista!
The man who came through here. Where is he?
Hey, hold it!
Yesenia!
Hands up.
Hey, hey, hey! Don't fucking touch her!
Don't fucking move. Up.
La verga. Watcher, send medical. Civilian down. Rodolfo, vámonos.
Entendido. ¿Cuál casa es nuestro objetivo?
Empezamos con la suya de 2 pisos.
¿Por qué?
La luz de seguridad se acaba de apagar.
Drop your fucking weapons right
No haz lo que te dicen. Nosotros lo arreglamos.
shoot you. Understand? Step forward to me. I want to see empty hands above your head. I will shoot you if I have to.
I'm Colonel Alejandro Vargas of Special Forces. We're after a known terrorist.
Gomez, hold up. These are her guys. Hard to tell you boys apart from cartel. Where's your suspect?
Track them.
Muévete, vamos.
Hay unos más. Dispárales cuando se acerquen. Encárgate del interior. Yo bloqueo las salidas. Entra.
¡Guillermo, policía!
Entrando.
¡No dispares!
Cuidado con los enemigos. Vamos para el segundo piso.
Burn everything. Do you know who I am?
You're a terrorist, pendejo.
I'm a soldier. And I am here to fight. No. Let him burn, as Gobrani burned.
Oye, veo humo. ¿Cuál es el estatus? ¡Rodolfo! ¡Me muevo para adentro!
No, coronel. No puedo salir.
¿Dónde estás, tropa?
Escúchame, Hassan se fue. Lo están moviendo para afuera.
¡Uy!
Algo está cruzando el Atlántico. Hay un barco entregando algo.
¡Fuerza, compa! ¡Aquí te apoyo!
Hassan was taken back into cartel protection in Las Almas. Mexican Special Forces confirmed Hassan is moving something sizable towards the U.S. The cargo could be containers housing missiles. We don't know how many, and we don't know the targets.
To find out, we need to capture Hassan and bring him in for interrogation. We'll send Soap and Ghost to link up with the Mexican Special Forces in country, along with all the manpower they need.
We can't start a war in Mexico, General.
Certainly not. I'll task Philip Graves and his shadow company, PMCs, to assist. Their rules of engagement can help us cut some red tape and get this done.
Understood, sir. Let's find Hassan.
Alejandro! Sergeant McTavish! Call me Soap. Lieutenant! Last one says they call you Ghost.
Actually, I believe he prefers to
How do? Welcome to the City of Souls.
I've never been to Mexico.
This is in Mexico. Las Almas.
Shepard's contractors are inbound to reinforce. They're bringing hardware. They'll need room.
My base is your base.
Good. Now where's Hassan?
Cartel safe house, 10 clicks from here. Get in. Vamos, muévense! Está bien, está bien. It's my second in command, Sergeant Major Rodolfo Parra.
Le tengo miedo a los fantasmas.
You know Spanish?
No.
You will.
White truck, 4 under the back.
Oye, hey, tranquilo. Easy. It's normal here. Guns on the street is jurisdiction of the police.
Where are the police?
Well, Las Almas has a very serious problem. There are few here to uphold the law, and many of those who resist corruption disappear.
What about the military?
Well, because we're well trained, soldiers are recruited by the narcos.
Why not you?
We grew up here. Call us los vaqueros, cowboys. We love this place, and we will die fighting for it.
Kids, guns, and balloons. There's a new one.
Narcos use generosity to win over the people.
Even the children.
Especially the children.
What's on those sheets?
Narcomantas.
Cartel cloths.
Messages from El Sin Nombre. Warnings marking territory. The streets are laced with death.
Who's Sin Nombre?
El Sin Nombre. The nameless. The leader of the Las Almas cartel.
Where can we find him?
You can't. No one knows who he is. But he is everywhere. And this is a challenge. Los vaqueros like challenges.
With your mask, you will fit in well if you go.
Oye, cálmala. Checkpoint is the army. Turn right, we'll go around.
Why?
Some troops are in the pocket of El Sin Nombre. Like I told you, he is everywhere. Cartel is hiding Hassan in the village across the river. Let's hope he's still there. Team leaders, circle up on me. Copiado, carnal. Weapons out, vaqueros.
Muévanse.
Mira.
Where are they holding Hassan?
White two-story building, back of town. Todos los Víctors estén listos. 3, 2, 1. ¡Entra, entra! Despejado, avanza.
Civilians.
Gone. Cartel took over. It's a hideout now.
Good place to keep Hassan.
Move. ¡Contacto! Todos los Víctors, avancen.
Dos están en movimiento.
Down. Push up.
Clear.
Secure this house, then we go for Hassan.
Cartel will move him fast.
Then we move faster. Take the door. Heads up. You're ready.
¡Muere,
hijo de la chingada! Doorway, right side.
Room clear. No sign of Hassan. Clear. What happened to the families here?
The cartel brings violence, so they leave. Get ready to move. Stand by. I keep that a secret, hermano. Protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. On me, Soap. This is where they were hiding Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha.
Avanza, avanza. Despejado. No Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan. Holding at the stairs.
Hassan's here. He's in this room.
Secure the room. I'll cover. We got Hassan cornered. Get in there.
Clear, no Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro. Negativo con Hassan.
Entendido.
They must have moved them.
When?
Recently. Quds Force, that's his flag. He was here.
Alijado's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí.
A la verga. What is it? The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, retrocedan, ya.
Entendido.
What are we doing?
Covering my men. Once they're clear, we fall back.
You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
No, Colonel. These troops are paid by the cartel. They're helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire. We'll dig in until my men are clear.
Multiple vehicles, troop transports, light armor.
Hold fire. Let them get close. Weapons free! They're on us! Target the helmet! They're using shields! Use grenades!
Todo despejado, comandante.
Cuidado, vámonos en el refugio.
We need to move!
Army's right behind us!
Copiado. Avanzando.
Down the hill. We'll lose them in the mountains. Fan out and stay close.
La antigua ruta.
Straight to the bridge. It's on us! Cover! Cover! Get your cover, return boys! No te dieron, carnal.
Are we clear?
For now, we gotta move. Go!
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army. We can't hold off an army. We need extraction. Rodriguez, ¿pide la extracción?
Sí, comandante.
All guns, hold here. Take cover.
Sí, coronel.
Behind the rocks. Pass by fire, enemy advance. Light him up! Rodriguez, get thumbs up!
Control, Víctor 1. Una extracción inmediata. Copian.
We clear? For now, there'll be more. Vamos. ¿Alguno nos avisa del Golfo?
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountain's blocking comms.
Your man get the call out?
Let's hope so.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge at the river. Extraction will be there.
If it isn't...
Get used to somebody.
Contact RPG! On the ridge! Anyone hit?
Negative.
Good to go. Copy. On me. We'll have to jump here.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano. The rollers aren't far behind.
Where to, Alejandro?
Soap, push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the radio. Rest of you watch for snipers. Use that ledge. There will be a way up the mountain.
Got anything?
They're out there, believe me.
Control, habla Víctor 1. ¿Me escuchan?
You'll have to jump down, Soap.
Víctor 1, a control. ¿Me escuchan?
Rodriguez, ¿alguna señal de radio?
Negativo.
We need to get to the river. Next ledge, Soap.
Found it!
Escucha. Hear that? Incoming heli. See, get to a firing position. We'll take them by surprise.
Which way to the bridge?
Straight ahead, past the hilo. They'll try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them.
Weapons free! Enemy reinforcement! Up the hill. The bridge isn't far. They may position shooters out here. Watch your backs.
Top of the hill, Sergeant. We're moving.
There's the bridge.
No visual on extraction.
Comms didn't get through.
Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way. Jump down, Sergeant.
Watch your footing here.
Estos acantilados peligrosos.
You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. The narcos changed everything.
Sniper, move!
Snipers down!
Bloody good shot, mate.
Army's still trailing us.
We're gaining some ground.
to a dead end, mate! We jump from here! Don't lose a weapon!
Breathing.
Move downriver to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover. All stations, this is Victor 01. How copy?
No one. Do you say again? You
Radio's picking up something.
Sounds American. Here they come. Weapons free. Contact front. Army reinforcements rolling in. River's slowing us down, mate. Get shallow up ahead. Swim up. Keep moving. Vehicles on the bridge. Fuck! It's the army. Get to cover. We have to hold here and get extraction.
We can't do shit against that armor.
Commander Graves, Shadow Company. They're with us! Shadow 1, Bravo 07. Good shots. Fire for effect.
All stations, no enemy movement detected. You're clear. Good to see you boys.
Likewise, mate. This way. Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan, 2 clicks north of your position.
That's cartel land. They have a compound there.
Load in. Shadow 1, stand by.
Let's roll. I'll drive.
You boys good to roll up Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.
Loaders, get your rounds in the can.
Yes, Commander.
Nav, set a heading for that compound.
Roger.
Fire officer, keep a hand on that hot switch. We're just getting started here.
Solid copy.
Pilot, you have the con. Once on station, circle the target. Bring us around.
Sir.
Com, get me General Shepard.
Raj, stand by. Shepard's up, sir.
Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1. How copy?
Loud and clear, Shadow 1. Send traffic.
I had to bail your boys out. Luckily, they have friends in high places.
That's what you're there for. Tell me something good.
We got a hit on Hassan. Approaching the target location now. We'll get this bastard rolled up for a little talking to.
That's what I like to hear. Report back when Hassan's in the bag.
Roger that. Out here. All Shadows, listen up. These guys on the ground, Mexican Special Forces, 141, they are your brothers now. You treat them like your own. And let's get this done, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Ghost, this is Shadow 1, orbiting the compound now. Standing by for visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We'll mark our position with IR laser, over.
Roger that, 07.
How do we find Hassan?
He'll have an armed guard. Cartel protection.
A lot of places to hide.
Graves covers with close air. We clear the buildings.
Copy the ILT.
Mark us.
Shadow 1, we're east of the compound. Position is marked.
Roger, confirm visual. Copy visual.
07, copy your mark.
Shadow 1, be advised. Hassan is moving with an armed guard. You cover external, we'll clear the buildings. How copy?
07, good copy. Armed guard. We'll secure the area so you can move in. Stand by.
Roger that.
TV, scan for targets with an armed guard. Let's find us some bitch.
Civilians in the area. 2 unknowns south of the stables.
Shadow 1, there's a truck leaving the stables moving west.
Copy. TV, track that vehicle.
Copy, tracking. The truck is now moving southwest along the dirt road. Got unknowns ahead of them. Looks like more farmers. Stand by.
Do you see a weapon on them?
Negative. No weapons, no guards.
Copy. Keep scanning.
The truck just stopped on the road.
Shadow 1, we've got targets at the greenhouse to our northwest. Roping now.
Greenhouse is priority. Get back on the building.
07, no visual on the target. What's the call?
An army convoy's getting ground. We go in, guns blazing, hope he squats. Lock him up from there. Graves, you're cleared hot to engage external. We'll clear the buildings when secure.
07, copy that. Keep your heads down. All Shadows, you are clear to engage armed personnel only. Do not fire on the buildings.
Copy. Armed personnel only.
Use the 25 mic to limit collateral. Let's make some music.
All Shadows, rounds away.
Love this shit. Good impact. Do we have any more personnel in the area?
Negative. No movement.
07, all visible targets are down. Over.
Shadow 1, copy that. We'll be clearing the stables building first. Roping now.
Tally target.
07, copy your mark. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, we're moving now. If the target squirts, let us know.
Shadow 1 copies.
Soap, freeze down the right side. Aye. Breaching.
Watch for squirters.
Got a woman and kid down there. Check fire. Unknowns exiting the stables right now.
Scan for Hassan.
Got a visual.
Got our personnel right there.
Raj, keep fire clear of
X-ray
civilians.
down. Great. Negative on Hassan. It's a dry hole.
Multiple vehicles approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
Ghost, copy that. I need you out of the building. Move north right now.
Copy. Moving. Graves, we're clear. Drop that fucking building now.
07, copy. Danger close.
Shadow 1, good shots. She goes to the greenhouse.
All stations, there's armed personnel in the greenhouse.
Contact! Check fire. Hassan could be inside.
TV, can you get a visual inside the building?
Affirmative. Stand by. Going hot, 2-5. Not fire on the buildings. No visual on the target. Appears to be armed personnel only.
Ghost, keep your men back. We're fixing to engage the greenhouse.
Solid copy.
TV, you are cleared hot to level the greenhouse.
Missile loose.
Roger, 07.
These guys are fucked. Dust them. Where is this fucker? He has to be at that compound. Shadow 1, what's the ETA on that convoy?
07, convoy is 6 clicks out. Advise you step it up, secure exfil.
I'll contact Rodolfo. Do it. Graves, we're working on exfil now. Be advised, last building we'll hit is the compound. How copy?
Movement in the compound, crew.
07, good copy. Hold your position until we clear the area.
Roger that. Shadow 1, troops in contact! I'm in here!
trigger. Missile away.
Watch for movement.
Yeah, we're clear.
Ghost, no movement detected. What's your status?
You'll be all right. Round out the plate. Affirm. Proper air support, mate.
Roger that, 07. Be advised, you're clear up to the compound, but the gate is blocked at this time.
Copy. Give us a way in, yeah.
We'll open the door for you. Stand by.
Do not engage the buildings.
Boom.
Good effect on target.
Ghost, doors open. You're clear to proceed.
Copy that. Moving now.
Ako yung toray ko. Isa.
Ghost, no movement detected.
Copy. We're pushing to the entrance now.
Roger, we see you. Be advised the convoy is 3 clicks out. You need to haul ass.
Solid copy. Alejandro, where's that exfil? 5 minutes out. It's going to be close. Let's do this then. Reaching. Shadow 1, positive ID on Hassan. He's moving upstairs. Graves, he's exiting the 2nd floor, northwest side.
Possible ID on the target.
Yeah, that's Hassan.
Got a visual on Hassan.
More enemy personnel in the courtyard.
Shadow 1, we've got PID on Hassan. Moving on him now. He ran inside.
Clear him out. 07, copy that. We got you covered.
Target's moving internal. Southwest building, 2nd floor.
Our boys can handle it. Keep him covered.
Get down! Get down now! Who the fuck are you? Special forces. They're coming with us. Shadow 1 Bravo 07, jackpot. I say again, jackpot. Target is secure.
07, solid copy. What's the status of your exfil?
This is Victor 1-1. Exfil is 2 minutes out.
Roger. All stations, be advised. Convoy is closing on the target area now.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good eye.
Rojo.
Alejandro, what's the call? They're with the cartel. Free to engage. Shadow, how copy?
Solid. All shadows. Mex Army is considered hostile at this time. Good attacks. TV, you are cleared hot to engage the convoy. Visible targets are down. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. Exfil is inbound now. Come on! The Quds Force mission will have no right. Shut the fuck up! Haces el favor, estómago. Usa tiempo, carnal. Nunca te dejaré atrás. La extracción es por Almeda. Quizás habrá resistencia. Si tenemos aire, lo podemos lograr. Okay, go! Shadow 1 package secure. We're RCB.
Hook, line, and fucking sinker. That's what I'm talking about, Shadows! You know I love that shit! Comms, give me the jump.
Jack.
Graves, actual. Make my day.
We got him. Escorting back to base as we speak.
Make it quick. We can't hold him for long.
Roger that.
Approaching a town to the north, crew. Off the trigger. Be advised, friendlies have stopped on the road.
All stations, what's the holdup down there?
Shadow 1, there's movement at the fuel station ahead. Possible cartel, roping now.
Copy. We'll recon the area. Be ready to move. TV, get a visual on that gas station, pronto.
Copy visual.
Nav, set an overlay ID on the gas station.
Copy. OID set. Multiple unknowns in the area.
Scan for weapons, see if any cartel's looking for trouble.
No visual on weapons. Multiple unknowns south of the gas station.
Let's get this show on the road. All stations, no visible threats in the area. You are clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. We're moving. Rodolfo, adelante.
All shadows. Ground team is mobile. Keep them covered.
There's an individual crossing the road.
What the fuck's he doing?
Shadow 1, we may have a situation here.
Quítate de mi camino! Rodéalo, rodéalo,
Vehicle south. Friendly vehicle is hit. They're down on the intersection.
Bail out! Fire, check fire!
Armed personnel at the intersection.
It's a fucking ambush. TV, get on the trigger. Keep our men secure.
Friendlies appear to be moving at this time.
Cover!
All stations, we're engaging danger.
Shadow 1, we're up. No casualties. The sign is secure.
07, copy that. Colonel Vargas, what's the word?
Shadow 1, we'll start going in the building behind us. Over.
Copy that.
Avanzo!
Friendlies moving into the restaurant.
Nav, set a marker on that building.
Clear. Check fire. Civilians are exiting the AO.
Getting the fuck out of Dodge. Good on them.
Visual on friendlies. Roof of the restaurant.
Rodolfo, pide los helicópteros.
Copiado.
¿Me copian? Habla Víctor 3-1. Solicito extracción inmediata. Mi posición actual es el techo del edificio de restaurantes en Olmeda. Check in. Movement on the hills. RPG! Get down! Shadow 1, we're taking RPG fire from the east. Roping now.
Got that RPG guy.
Copy. Engaging.
Visual on RPGs.
Down at the church.
Copy. Church. TV, engage those cartel, but do not fire on the church. Civilians may be internal.
H31 está en camino. 5 minutos. RPG! All stations, extract birds are inbound. 5 minutes.
Fire for effect.
RPG!
Guns armed.
There you go.
Cartel moving near the gas station. Back on the trigger. Vehicles incoming from the northeast in the graveyard. Multiple cartel at the gas station. Oh, man.
Taking effective fire! Shadow 1, check your bloody fire! Cartel is internal!
Seeing small arms fire from the gas station. No movement at this time.
Bravo 07, Shadow 1. All visible threats are down.
Be advised, free supplies are low. Conserve your ammo. Sergeant, sit rep. Hassan is secure. Still a prick. And you are as mindless as your weapons of war.
Bravo 7-1, you are cleared hot to shut Hassan the hell up.
All shadows, we've got incoming vehicles at the soccer field, southwest. Mortar crew is down. Enemy personnel to the southwest.
Clear to engage all of them.
Visual on anti-aircraft team, east of the soccer field. Loading rounds! Army personnel are moving northeast at this time. Got their anti-air.
Alejandro, where's extraction? We're burning through rounds here. Moving it out!
Oh! Back on the trigger. We got military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Mortar wing aircraft incoming from the southwest.
Copy. They're sending everything they got. Well, hell, we'll clean out corruption in one afternoon.
3 miles left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready. Moriremos luchando.
Missile lock! Missile lock!
That armored vehicle is moving north on the road. Enemy school building. Incoming missile. Countermeasures deployed. Off the trigger. stations, this is Hatchet 3-1. We are approaching from the southwest. 30 seconds. TV, we got an AA team to the school to the west.
Hatchet 3-1, this is Shadow 1, copy that. Blue forces are on the roof of the restaurant building. HLZ will be hot. We'll remain on station to provide cover fire. How copy?
Good copy. We're inbound now. 3-1 out.
Extract in 30 seconds. Solid copy.
Visual on an AA team, north of the bridge.
Shake them out. Here, last mag.
Anti-air team destroyed. Anti-air team is down.
Right, our exit's blocked by enemy armor. Requesting immediate air support.
TV, engage all those vehicles. Hey, these fuckers gonna realize the sun's coming with us.
Check north. We got armor crossing the bridge.
4 armored vehicles crossing the bridge, north side. Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1, we're on station.
3-1, copy that. HLZ is west side of the building. Friendlies are inbound to your location.
3-1 copies all.
Bravo 07, extract is on station. Exit west of the building. They are standing by.
Shadow 1, solid copy. We're moving now. Go, Ruby, we're leaving. Let's go. Ruby, Shadow, bendito sea. Copy that.
Bravo 07, HLZ secure. You're clear to proceed.
Copy. Moving now. Everyone in. This should send a message to the cartel, yeah? It will, hermano. They lost something more than just soldiers today. What's that? Their reputation. Word travels fast in Las Almas. 3-1, we're set.
Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1. All personnel and cargo secure. We are RTB at this time.
You fucking haul, 3-1. Copy that. Shadow's Oscar.
Hey.
On your knees.
Y'all got a clear picture?
Crystal.
All set.
All right. We are live, folks.
You speak Arabic?
No.
Farsi?
No.
Of course not. Then I'll speak your bastardized medieval English. Because you're all uneducated street dogs.
See, we're getting off to a bad start here, son.
You're talking to Al-Quds Force officer.
You're the commander of a foreign terror organization.
I can say the same to you.
What's your target, Major?
What was your target when you sent missiles to my land?
Oh, wild guess to nail your ass.
So insolent and foul-mouthed. You will learn to respect me when your nation sees fire.
You are in bed with the cartel, Hassan. If you disappeared, no one would know where to look for the fucking stain.
I have no doubt you'll take pleasure in torturing me.
Who'd you get American missiles from?
I don't care who they're from. I want to know where they're going.
Take a look around, Hassan. Now you can either become part of the food chain, or you can start talking.
I'm a hostage here. This is illegal.
You're a prisoner of war.
Iran is not at war with Mexico. I've broken no laws. These men and their commanders are the lawbreakers.
You and your beloved General Gorbani
Do not speak his name! You executed him and you will pay for your crimes. Allah wahdu li qadir ala musa'adak.
I want this bastard in permanent custody or looking up at the goddamn grass.
General, killing Hassan is an act of war. Keeping him is illegal. Right now, he is too hot to hold.
Tell me you're getting something actionable as well.
Working on it. Stand by.
Actual, let me finish this.
There's nothing I would like more. But Laswell's right.
Without proof, we need to turn him loose, see where he leads us.
It's right here. You can't be serious.
I'm afraid I am, son.
Did we get anything from his phone?
Affirmative. We got a hit.
Good. Now.
Take him back and let him go.
Un canapero, ¿no?
The
data hacked from Hassan's phone in Mexico went through a cell tower off the coast of Spain. Hassan was communicating with someone there when we caught him. Signals tracked to a hatchery used by the cartel as a smuggling front. It's remote and on the water.
Perfect to move illegal cargo, including missiles.
We need to get on the ground and see if the missiles are there. Imagery shows at least 4 structures and a lighthouse. We need eyes inside, but it's heavily guarded by cartel.
The high glass lends itself to concealment. In the right gear. Ghillie suits.
Exactly. I'll watch the coast for movement and provide exfil by boat.
You shouldn't be alone out there, Kate. 1 is none.
3's already a crowd. We have no jurisdiction here, John. We roll low and slow. This is unauthorized recon by fire. We're off the books. I'll call you when I'm in position. Let's find these missiles before Hassan puts them in our backyard.
Watcher 1 to Bravo, I'm in position. Half a click off the coast, structures are visible. What's your status?
We're set at our firing point. Eyes on a pair of armed targets hiding in the field.
You're green lit. Execute when able.
Roger. Stand by. Guys?
Low wind. 200 meters. On me.
Bravo,
Me?
what do you have?
Ano wrong eh?
Bravo, how copy?
Hey. Ayaw ka?
Solid, Watcher. 2 down.
Good work. Push forward, see what you can find.
Recon by fire. Sama mo sila mo ikat. Sa mga 1 days na imin. Patrick eh. Sabi yan nga. Yeah.
Guys, get eyes on what's in front of us.
Sila mo ikat stream sa mga reason na rin Patrick eh.